Matthew with Stellar Roofing. If you live in Rochester or Buffalo, this is not an unfamiliar scene. If you want a roof that's going to stand up to the weather and you're never going to have to worry about it again, make sure you contact us. I'm going to hand this over to Kevin and he's going to explain how this project went. Thanks for tuning in.
Hey, Kevin again, Stellar Roofing here. We are on a project. It's a commercial project out in Gates. It is a very large flat roof, about 140 squares. It's all rolled out EPDM and tapered iso board towards the drains, so that on each drain, we have a total of 8 of them on this roof. Each drain has a pitched drain so that all the water that collects in those areas will run down properly. We added 2 drains to this roof. The property owner also had previous old school rooftop air conditioning units. They were no longer working. We had the electric disconnected, removed the entire air conditioning unit. All the ductwork that was running across the roof was all outside and above on the roof. There was really no way. He was having nothing but issues with that ductwork and the way it was wrapped around with the previous roofing. We went around and had all custom metal pans built around the entire exterior of this roof. It is a beautiful work of art. It's one of my proudest roofs we've done here at Stellar. We do a lot of commercial work for a lot of companies, but if you look at this roof, you'll just realize how much time and care we take in our roofs here at Stellar. We use all the proper material and equipment. We ripped this whole roof down. We were told it was 1 layer, it turned out to be 2. We filled 17 dumpsters full of material. We ripped it down to the bare metal, built it right back up with iso board, and as you can see, we had to build curbs around this whole property. It was in really rough shape. Property owner was having a lot of leaks through his kitchen, through the dining area, everywhere. He still has air conditioners and stuff up here that don't work. He wanted to leave them up here, but as far as everything else goes, this roof is perfectly pitched, perfectly flat. We are up here in the dead of winter. It dried off a little bit. You could see water all over the roof. It has all been drained right down to the drain. And thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you following Stellar Roofing. We'll keep more content coming your way.
Hey folks, this is Matthew with Stellar Roofing. If you want a roof that's going to stand up to the weather and you're never going to have to worry about it again, make sure you contact us at 585-888-7663 or at our Buffalo office at 716-320-7663.
Hey, thanks for visiting our channel. If you see anything that you like, let us know. Give us a thumbs up. If there was something that you didn't like, why don't you go ahead and keep that to yourself? Just kidding. You can give us a little comment in the bottom and let us know what we're doing great and what you'd like to see in the future. Any future videos you'd like to see from us, we definitely want to hear from you and address those. And we hope you enjoyed your time here with Stellar Roofing.